If you've been holding on to your money waiting for a truly high-speed APS-C camera that doesn't compromise on professional features, this may be the moment you've been waiting for. For years, photographers who preferred the reach, portability, and affordability of crop sensor cameras have been left with very few exciting options. Many of the legendary APS-C cameras that once dominated wildlife, sports, and action photography quietly disappeared from the market, leaving creators with an impossible decision. Either spend thousands of dollars on a flagship full-frame body that might be far beyond your budget, or settle for entry-level cameras that sacrificed speed, durability, and advanced autofocus. That gap in Nikon's lineup has frustrated loyal users for nearly a decade, but according to growing rumors, supply chain reports, and prototype leaks, the company is finally ready to change that. The upcoming Nikon Z90 is rumored to be far more than just another incremental update. Instead, it appears to be Nikon's answer to every photographer who has been asking for a true flagship APS-C mirrorless camera with professional performance at a much more attainable price. What makes the rumored Nikon Z90 so exciting is that Nikon reportedly isn't treating it like a typical mid-range camera. Instead of limiting its capabilities to protect its premium lineup, leaked information suggests Nikon is bringing flagship-level technology directly into this compact body. At the heart of the camera is the rumored EXPEED 7 image processor, the same processing engine found inside cameras like the Nikon Z8 and Z9. That processor dramatically improves everything from autofocus calculations and image processing speed to video performance and subject recognition. Pairing such a powerful processor with a newly developed 33-megapixel DX sensor could create one of the most capable APS-C cameras Nikon has ever produced. Unlike the older 20-megapixel sensors that often required photographers to compromise between resolution and speed, the rumored 33-megapixel sensor offers an ideal balance. It provides enough detail for large prints and aggressive cropping while maintaining fast readout speeds necessary for wildlife, sports, aviation, and action photography. The familiar 1.5x crop factor remains one of the biggest advantages of the APS-C format, effectively turning a 400mm lens into the equivalent field of view of a 600mm lens without adding extra weight, cost, or sacrificing aperture. Performance is where the Nikon Z90 could truly separate itself from the competition. According to multiple reports, the camera is expected to deliver continuous shooting speeds of up to 15 frames per second using its mechanical shutter, while electronic shutter modes may push burst speeds even higher. For photographers who regularly capture birds in flight, motorsports, or fast-moving athletes, those extra frames can mean the difference between missing the perfect moment and capturing an award-winning image. Even more impressive is the rumored inclusion of Nikon's pre-release capture feature. This technology continuously records images while the shutter button is half-pressed, storing frames in a temporary buffer. Once the shutter is fully pressed, the camera saves not only the images captured after the press, but also those recorded just before it. That effectively allows photographers to capture moments that happened fractions of a second before they reacted, making split-second opportunities much easier to preserve. Whether it's a kingfisher diving into water, a football player crossing the goal line, or lightning striking across the sky, pre-release capture can dramatically increase the chances of getting the decisive shot. Speed alone means very little if autofocus cannot keep up, and this is another area where the Nikon Z90 is expected to shine. Thanks to the processing power of the EXPEED 7 chip, Nikon is rumored to be bringing its advanced deep learning autofocus system into the APS-C lineup. That means intelligent subject recognition, capable of identifying people, eyes, faces, birds, animals, vehicles, motorcycles, airplanes, and trains with remarkable precision. Instead of constantly adjusting focus points manually, photographers can rely on the camera to recognize and follow their chosen subject throughout the frame. Whether tracking an eagle weaving through dense forest branches, a racing car approaching at incredible speed, or a soccer player sprinting across a crowded field, the autofocus system is expected to remain locked onto the subject with exceptional consistency. This type of intelligent tracking has become one of the defining features of flagship mirrorless cameras, and bringing it to a more affordable APS-C model would significantly expand its appeal among enthusiasts and professionals alike. Video creators are also expected to benefit from the Nikon Z90's rumored capabilities. Current leaks point toward uncropped 4K recording at up to 60 frames per second, allowing users to maintain the full angle of view of their lenses without an additional crop. Combined with 10-bit internal recording and support for flat color profiles, such as N-Log, videographers would gain much greater flexibility when color grading footage in post-production. Improved dynamic range could preserve more highlight and shadow detail, while cleaner high ISO performance would make low-light shooting more practical. Another major advantage is the rumored thermal management system. Instead of overheating during extended recording sessions, Nikon appears to have redesigned the internal heat dissipation architecture to support longer recording times, making the camera suitable for interviews, documentaries, live streams, weddings, and commercial productions where reliability is essential. For content creators looking for one camera that can handle both professional photography and demanding video work, the Z90 could become an incredibly attractive hybrid option. Durability is another area where Nikon seems determined to make a statement. Rather than using lightweight plastic construction common in many consumer cameras, the Nikon Z90 is rumored to feature a full magnesium alloy chassis designed to withstand years of professional use. Extensive weather sealing should provide confidence when shooting in rain, snow, dust, or humid environments, while a deep ergonomic grip would make it comfortable to handle larger telephoto lenses during long shooting sessions. Dual memory card slots, reportedly combining high-speed CF-Express support with widely available SD cards, would provide photographers with instant backups for important client work. Taken together, these features paint the picture of a camera designed not simply for hobbyists, but for serious enthusiasts and working professionals who demand reliability in the field. If these rumors prove accurate, the Nikon Z90 could represent one of the strongest APS-C mirrorless cameras ever released, offering flagship intelligence, exceptional speed, advanced autofocus, robust video capabilities, and professional-grade construction at a fraction of the cost of Nikon's top-tier full-frame cameras. For countless Nikon users who have patiently waited for a true successor to the legendary APS-C workhorses of the past, the Z90 may finally be the camera that makes the wait worthwhile.